I have two drunken kids picking on me. I'm 85 years old.
Oh, ma'am, I'm sorry to hear that. Are you injured at all?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Just my pride. And I've tried to be a good mother, and they call me names, they do everything. And his wife brings booze home, and when they get drunk, they pick on me.
So it's your daughter-in-law and your son that are causing the problems?
Yes.
All right.
And I want her removed from my house.
And you said they've been drinking?
They drink all day long.
So the reason why we're going emergent is RP locked herself inside the house, and they were banging on the door. So I feel like we've probably been out here. The address we're going to is going to be 819. It's gonna be this corner house. 819.
What's up?
How's it going, boss?
Not good.
What's going on?
Wife's pissed. Everybody's getting mad. I shouldn't be in trouble for any reason.
Sweet. So where's she at now?
She just drove off.
Drove off? Anybody else inside the house?
My mom
Where's mom at?
upstairs.
Okay, we need to speak with mom. You mind just taking a seat right here?
I would rather stand up.
Okay, we need to
you.
speak with mom.
You can go in the front door.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Just stand by the door till we give announcements.
I'm not going to be in trouble for this. I'm not going to jail anymore.
Okay. Yeah, mom's.
I'm not in trouble for anything. I'm being accused of a lot of shit. And where's my brother?
You live here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You mind if we go inside and talk to mom?
Go ahead.
Yep. Door's open.
Yes, sir.
Hey, she says the door should be open.
There's like a dog she's putting in the back.
Oh, she's putting the dog back there? Is it just one dog, sir? Okay. Are they big dogs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. I don't want the dogs coming out by you. Do you have an ID on you?
No, sir. Inside the house.
You mind just jotting down your full name, date of birth, phone number, so I know who I'm speaking with? Thank you, sir. I like your side by side.
I don't.
It gives you a lot of trouble. Is that a Colorado ID or out of state?
Michigan.
Michigan? Am I? Okay. So is it Todd?
Todd Smith, yep. I'm not. I'm done. I'm not.
What's your date of birth, boss?
Sorry, what?
Your date of birth?
12/31/66.
Whoa! Hey, dude, get back!
Hey! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it!
Oh!
Hands! 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 Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Put the gun down now.
Oh my God!
Get the other weapons on you.
I'll go hands.
I
gave it to you.
Okay, do you have any other weapons on you? Do not reach.
Do not reach.
Do not reach.
I'm not reaching. Motherfucker, I gave it to
Go
you.
hands.
Hands.
Get on the floor. Get on the ground. Get on the
18,
floor.
I need medical. 2 shots to the chest.
Get the gun. Get the gun.
I can't move over.
Pull your arm. Pull your arm out.
Watch the door. Watch the door from a distance. From a distance.
Roll over.
I will try. Could you give me a break?
Get him hooked up.
Hey, I need my medical bag for my truck. It's on my black bag. Black bag on the side.
All right, so
Okay.
do a pat down.
Yeah. Do a pat down and get medical.
Come on, I'm just gonna hand it over to you. Are you serious?
Just stay right there. Move back. We'll go with your buddy.
All right.
Stick with us. All I wanted to do was not what we saw.
Yeah, here's what he saw. I said I would give it to you.
Start back in that.
All right, you're good, brother. You're good. Calm down. Calm down. All right, cool. What's your medical?
Trying to get a chest real long. All right, here.
Just stand by right there, the vehicle. Just go by my vehicle. You're good, brother. You're good. Just go by my vehicle. You're good. Take my bag with you. $218. What's the status on that medical? Officers are good.
Monitor him. You monitor him. Okay. Here. Hey, what's your name? You good?
Send him in.
Did you shoot?
No, I'm good, brother. Yeah. Good check. You good? No.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. All right. We still got to check on mom.
Keep breathing. Go flag them down.
Yeah, I got the recruits right there in the corner. Hey, wave them over here! Block traffic! Block! Just block traffic there! Hey, I'm gonna wave in medical here. Hey, we still need to check in on mom.
Check on what?
Check on mom.
Okay.
Inside the house. Hey, just block traffic down there. Hey, we need to check in on mom. She's inside the residence. I don't know who else is inside.
Anybody on inside?
Hey, we need to check inside the garage, see if there's anybody else inside.
The garage?
Yeah.
Check the inside of the leg. Do you see anything?
18, medical is clear to come in.
Get this one.
Did mom check up to the door?
I saw mom.
Not feeling anything. Any other holes? We're just cutting the shit off. Checking. rod first.
Two shots. Miss, everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Shoot.
Hey,
Miss, everything's gonna be okay.
hey, next officer.
Talk with mom.
2 talk to mom. 1 come with me. Packy,
Talk with mom.
come here. Gun and magazine right there. Don't hold me on your side. I'm not gonna go.
I need to go to HQ.
You go to full. You alright?
Yeah, I need someone needs to take my recruit back.
Okay, are you in?
No, I'm good, brother.
Maslin, grab Brad. Grab Brad and check him. I'm good.
FOP. You? Yeah. Yeah. We can go to HQ.
26 is as well.
Gotcha. Take him over there. I'll turn it off. Yep.
3 on 6, 3 on 10 to the last.